Hello everybody, this is Juan from Shenzhen OSL. Today we're going to explain to you guys how to separate one iPhone 6 Plus glass. This is very correct glass. We're going to teach you how to separate and also clean the glue. So after that I will laminate the glass with the screen. Okay, so I'm going to show you the whole process. I know some of you guys think this is very old stuff, but for some of our new customers they still struggling for this. So we would like to take some time to explain to you guys our way. Probably you have different way, but this is our way to do the whole process. Okay, so first of all I'm gonna explain to you guys what we have here. So this is the separator. Of course you need a separator. So the temperature normally we set for 85 degrees, so just set for 85 degrees. So press set, then just press 85 degrees. Okay, now it's done. I'm gonna have a mat. This is the mat for our working area. So this is 40 by 40 and this is the 1 centimeter. Normally we're gonna have a mat, put it here, so we're gonna put our separates on that. Okay, and also you need another mat just like this. So this is what we're using every day, so you can see all the cuttings on it. So why we have to use this one with 2 holes on it, because sometimes when we clean the glue or we just put the screen on this, so we always put this chip inside of this hole, so it won't break the LCD. Okay, so this is the soldering iron. So we can use this one to cut the frame. So later we're gonna show you guys cut the frame, these 4 corners. Okay, and also we can use this one for the polarizer. I know some of you guys have the machine for the polarizer, and also you can use this one, the soldering iron, for just getting rid of the polarizer. Okay, and also you need of course the testing boards, and also this is the knife, one side, this is the blade. Okay, this is the blade. So I'm also gonna teach you guys, because you see this soldering iron, how to prepare this one. Okay, so this is the normal soldering iron you're gonna buy from the market. So just use a screw, just unscrew it like this, unscrew it, and put this one. You can buy this head, this is the copper head, just put it inside. Okay, so later just can have one of this blade, so just use your pliers, just get rid of it. Okay, it's very easy. Then just there are 2 screws on it, just unscrew it, put the blade inside, then screw it, and just like what I did, just put it inside, then this thing's okay, the tour is okay, just like this. Okay, see. Okay, now the temperature is ready, 85, and also this screen is very correct. So I suggest you guys have this is the Olga. So everybody has this Olga. This is cheap. So I normally put this Olga on it because this is very sticky. So you put an Olga on it. See? I know some of you guys use tape, so that's cheaper. But this one, this is better because this is very sticky, so it can hold all the cracked, those tiny pieces together. Okay, and also this one you can keep it for for later use. We test it to make sure it is okay before we just to make sure it's okay. It's okay. Now we just start. Let's get started. Okay, this one here, so put it here, so 85 degrees. So first of all, sorry, just we forgot to cut this. So this is the soldering iron, just around the corner. Check here, see here, this, so you have to make sure this is okay, this side. Also this side. Just be careful, don't break the LCD. Okay, just to make sure that it's been well Okay. Okay. So just to put the this is 85 degrees, so just put it, I just preheat it. You can do, some of you guys do just put a whole screen on it. So, and also you can just put one side on it, another side, so you can do, everybody has their own weight, okay? You just touch it by your hand, okay? So if say it's too hot, you cannot, because sometimes you're gonna break the backlight. You're gonna see some wrinkles on it, so you have to be careful with this. Now this is the cutting wire we're using. This is 0.08. Okay, this is 500 meters. Just be careful because this is very cracked. So just go from one side, just from one corner. Okay, just from one corner, and then another, then from the other side. Check. This is very cracked. So you have to be very careful with this. Normally, this kind of screen, just with a tiny piece, you're gonna ruin the whole. You're gonna screw all the LCD. Okay, so just to be very careful with this. See, all those tiny pieces just may break the LCD. Okay, so now we're gonna test this. I'm gonna test it to make sure it's okay. With these very cracked, so you have to be very careful with the those tiny pieces. So that's why I put Olga film on it, so it's gonna be easier for. See? So it's everything's okay. So it's okay, right? Okay. Now let's clean the glue. Now just use this mat as I just explained to you before. You have to clean this mat, okay? Make sure there's no those tiny pieces glass on that, just to may break the LCD, okay? Okay, to make sure. Actually, because this is very cracked screen, so normally we get rid of the polarizer, not like this one. This is what I did before, because this one, the glass is almost just have some cracks on it. Not this one, so cracked. So you check the polarizer, just save the polarizer. I don't have to change the polarizer. But this one, you see, I may have to change it. Okay, in this case, we just change it at one time. But I'm gonna use this glue remover just to check if we have to remove it. Okay, this is just a test, but normally we just get rid of it because this is, you see some cracks on that. I don't think we can save this polarizer. Okay, but this time I'm gonna do a test because this test for you guys. Okay, see, this is our new this glue remover. This one we call this 9555. Okay, in European market, because we will produce this product the end of this month in Spain. The code is 555. We call this Novecel 555 in Europe, in Spain. So this product is approved by European lab, and also we can transport in European countries, European Union. Okay, so this one is not flammable. So not like the other products, flammable. Check. Okay, I will put some little bit. I will use a lighter. You see, it's not inflammable, so it's gonna be better for you guys because in European country, you know, United States or some countries, so it's gonna be very strict with this product. So if this is not flammable, it's gonna be fantastic for you guys. Okay, so first of all, just gonna put the use a brush, put something in the middle. You check. Just be careful. Don't let this liquid get inside of the backlight. Okay. So just put on it. This is the original glue, as you can see. Okay. You can use this is a plastic knife, so you're gonna use this. You can use this one. You see? It's very easy, right? See, this is very easy. Just put some more on it, some more liquids on this. Do this again. Just change your position, okay? See? It's gonna be very easy. Just be careful, okay? Because this one you may break the LCD. Just don't push it too hard, just to soft. Okay. Now you can get some contact cleaner. This is the contact cleaner, so just put some contact cleaner. You see? Very easy, right? And I still have some thing here, so with a little bit strength you can get rid of it easy. Actually, this polarizer is okay. I don't have to change it. I thought it's gonna be gonna be cracked with some scratch on it, but I think this scratch just a little bit. It's acceptable, so we don't have to change the polarizer. This is good news. So these little tiny pieces, so I'm gonna use a little bit more on it. Check. Be careful, because I don't want to get this liquid inside of the backlight. So I don't want to change the backlight. Okay. See, very easy. Be careful with this. You see? Let me check. There's some scratches on it. Oh, this scratch is kinda. Okay, let's test it. If I save works well. Okay. Let's see. It's working very well, right? Now we just keep this one. So later, before we just we do the laminating process, so we can clean the glue and make glue just tiny pieces on it. It's okay. So now we have done the separation, also the glue cleaning. So we're gonna have a break. So later we're gonna explain to you guys how to put the glass and put a glass on it and how to laminate. Okay. So just talk to you guys later.